Hi guys, and welcome to the bakery, and today we're going to be making cinnamon buns. Anyway, we'll get on with the video. Bun dough, what you need is a pound of flour, just ordinary baker's flour, 2 ounces of caster sugar, half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoonful of vitamin C, 8 ounces of milk, 2 ounces of egg and 2 ounces of fat, which this is actually white shortening. It's a product you can actually buy in the shop. It's called Trek. But I prefer to use this one for this particular recipe. And also then, obviously, the baker's yeast, which is 2 ounces. Right, and what we do, we put the flour into the bowl, followed by the yeast, with the fat, and we just mix this around a bit. Now pop in your milk, your eggs, your salt and your vitamin C, all in, not forgetting your sugar. And just mix it all round, like that. Right, that's like that, we'll just pop it onto the machine. You want to be mixing this for 10 minutes. Now you want to knock it onto second speed for 1 minute. That's ready. And now we'll put it on the table. Flour. And that's it, and all we do then, mould it up, and that's it. Right, just mixed up the buns and it's ready. It's now on the table. So what we're going to do now is leave this for 10 minutes. So it's had a good rest and we can use it straight away then. Right guys, for your cinnamon buns, what you need is a baking tray. The tray size is 32 by 42 centimeters. Also you need some melted butter, and as well, this is a pound of butter and a pound of caster sugar and half an ounce of cinnamon. Mix it all in. Right, then we'll get on with the rolling out of the cinnamon buns. A nice oblong shape, and that's around about 60 centimeters this way and 30 centimeters this way. Just brush any loose flour off, then you put your cinnamon mixture straight over, spread it on nice. If you like lots of cinnamon, put more on. I'd always leave that gap along the top there. what you want to do is grab hold of the end and just pull them over. And again. And it's like a pull and a push and roll backwards. Like this. It gets a bit stuck on the table, get yourself Right, and there's a nice little sausage shape. Right, just dust him off. Just get yourself some melted butter. Run that down the top. Chop off your little end bits, if you don't want them. And you want 12 out of this. And make sure your butter edges are facing the tail to tip. Like that. So like that all the time. There you go. Now what to do with these next? Like with proving your cinnamon buns up, get yourself a box like this. And all we do is put the cinnamon buns into a box. Like this. And you can buy these anywhere. They've got little paws on. And all we do put your buns in there, grab all your little pulleys, and there we go. It's all done and dusted. Now you leave that for an hour. It may take a little bit longer, but an hour in a nice warm place and your buns will be up. Right guys, it's about an hour. Let's have a look how the cinnamon buns are doing. So there we go, just ready for the oven. Right, we'll get them into the oven. Baking temperature is around about 400 Fahrenheit and should take around about 10 to 12 minutes to bake. Right guys, the cinnamon buns are ready. Here we go guys. Right, now as soon as they come out, wash them over with some syrup. By then we'll let them cool down. Right guys, we're coming down to the part we all enjoy, icing the cinnamon buns. The question is, do you want them iced or not? I don't know. I put it on Facebook to have a look and it's like 50-50 yes and no. So I'm gonna ice half them and leave the other half plain. And for the icing, guys, it's just straightforward icing, sugar and water. Just mixed up to a nice runny paste, and then just put them on the top. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Do subscribe and do share. And don't forget the recipe is below the video in the description. And if there's anything you want to know or anything at all, just leave a little note under the video. Anyway, see you laters!